Well, I put a little bit of color down here. And I really had my heart set on having this sun splash down the hillside a little bit, catching the top of it. Really happy I did that. I think that works. But of course, the more light I add there, the greater sort of almost a visual hole that I have here. So that now I really know what I can do as far as lightening up the background here a little bit. Remember those loaves of bread in the distance? I think I've turned them into rocks now. I think that's okay. So I'm not done with the large painting yet, but I thought I'd take a break from it. I was working on this painting a few videos back. There are things I like about it, you know, but all in all, it still needs work. I can keep working on it, but what I'll end up with is a workmanship issue because I will have layered paint over paint over paint over paint. And frankly, I'm kind of sick of it. So it's been sitting on my fireplace mantle and I look at it and it kind of bothers me. So I think that I might just, you know, this is done with a brush. So I think the way to fix this is to use a knife and you know, one last try, and then if it doesn't work, then we'll just do away with it. Or actually, maybe this is the knife I'll use. Sometimes you just have to do that, you know. It's if you like something and you have a lot of time into it, it's kind of a bugger. Like you just go, oh, I did this, I did that, but if all you're doing is continuing to work on a painting that you're just not happy with, then the best thing is to get it out of your system. And once this is destroyed, which it pretty much is, you know, actually that might make a nice placemat or something. It's good waterproofing, maybe a shingle for a roof. Anyway, it's good to move on. It's good not to get too emotionally attached to your paintings, you know, for me anyway, because I would end up with so much stuff kicking around the house. I just don't want that. So I'll be forgetting about it pretty soon. That's fine. I'll never look at it again. I can move on with fresh ideas, fresh notions, fresh compositions. I'll be able to peel, you know, I'll take the canvas off of this and I'll end up with a good, I think this is a 16 by 20 stretcher frame that I can then stretch a new canvas on. Sometimes that's just how it goes. It's good to accept that. Cleans the veins. Cathartic, I think, is the word that we're looking for. Talk to you soon. Bye.